virgin, dry as a page of the King James Version. No la las, no hell yes, no I can't.
No one was injured. The other insurance company accepted full responsibility. You.
Evil in the Rock Rapids area, but they would soon stumble upon a horrific disaster.
Whoa! Ooh, you just hit me, man. Look, he just hit me. Oh. Yeah, he just hit me. Look at that. Oh my God. You hit me, man. You hit me. I hope you got injured. You hit me.
You want to hit me?
You just hit me. You just hit me.
Superhero company runs like a Superman type thing. It's called Vought. They've got the first 2 seasons.
Oh,
over there. The clouds are dark and you can definitely... Woo! Dude, what are you doing? Bro, you almost hit me. You almost took me out. Bro, you almost killed me. Are you out of your gut? What?
What do you mean? You fucking went right by me. Take.
Oh, get out. Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. Dude, we just got this bike. You nearly ran me off the road. Are you insane?
You were right turning my.
You had no signal. I got it all on camera, bro. Don't even give me that.
Chill the out, bro.
You almost killed me.
What do you do?
What I want you... Apologize, you dumb. You almost killed me. Are you insane? I got a family to get home to. No, I don't want to hear it from you. I got a family to get home to. You nearly knocked me off the bike. No signal, no... And then you put your hands on me? Are you insane?
You got my face in the mask. You got all my.
Ran him over, dog. Come on.
You're a dumb dude.
Yeah, it was an accident.
And you're on your
I
phone.
wasn't even on my phone, bro.
Well, you're doing some stupid man.
I was trying to turn and you were right.
The human thing to do would be like, I'm so sorry, man. Oh, you saw me. I know you saw me.
Yeah, I saw you after it was a.
Dude, I hope you're be ready to be famous on the internet.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Let's go.
Man. Almost killed me and all you do is argue. Dumb shit, bro.
Hey.
Get in your car and go. I don't want to hear it from you.
I'm not trying to argue. That was an accident. It happened, bro. I'm sorry. Is that what you want? I'm sorry, bro. But.
All right, let's go.
Hey, I didn't see you, bro. And I thought you were way behind. You close to me. Hey, dude, whatever.
All right, it's whatever. I'm alive. It doesn't matter.
Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh my God, can you help me? This is gonna fall.
Yeah,
It's going to be.
The bike will fall as well.
Well, I think the bike is after doing enough damage, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Oh, for sake. Oh, stay there, don't move. I've got to call an ambulance as well.
No, you're alright, don't need none.
You gas box. What the hell did you do?
I was coming out of that road too fast and my back brake didn't work.
Christ. You could have killed someone. And could you never stop before you turn the corner before you came through the gates and my door and all?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. And what's your name?
Keith
Keith what?
Rodigan.
What?
Rodigan.